Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nasar, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. So right now we are at my first Airbnb. My first booking is this month, so I'm excited for that. It's finally done. I wanted to give you guys the walkthrough, man. So come on in. I furnished this house from Facebook Marketplace. A lot of the art you see, I got from Amazon, TVs, Amazon. You know, Amazon always come through. So look, this is basically, I'm targeting my Airbnb for business professionals, someone who needs a dedicated office space with a wireless printer. I have those things here on site. That's my whole aim, to target that particular person. I want to say I paid about $300 for this section, though, which is a good price, but I had to have it cleaned multiple times. The previous person, they had a dog, so with that being said, I should have just went and got a new living room set. So that's a lesson that I learned, because getting it clean multiple times is just going to be, you know, costly. This cleaning is actually a lot better than the first cleaning to get the stuff off. So let's go in the kitchen. As you see, I did all the floors in the property. We went with a white tile backsplash in this particular property. This house is actually electric and gas. New light fixtures throughout the property. That's the laundry room, your washer and dryer. I put new windows in the property as well. This is your office. This is the closet where I'm gonna store stuff for the cleaning ladies. You always wanna get something that has a lock on it so that people can't get in, because if people have access to everything, then you know stuff's just gonna walk out the property. You got your paper shredder, you got your clear board. As you see, your entrepreneur art, you got your wireless printer here. This is your bathroom. I went with a new vanity, new light fixture, of course, motivational shower curtain, so that the person come here to work. We got the, you know, the motivational art throughout the house. And this is the first bedroom. You know, your bed, your TV. TV, I just got Fire Sticks on them, no service. They bring their own username and password. I got that idea from a friend. That's how they run theirs. And theirs stay booked up. So, you know, you bring your username and password to log into TV. This is the final bedroom. Again, I got all this stuff on Facebook Marketplace, including the mattresses. Thankfully, I bought new bed sheets and new comforters from Amazon, TVs from Amazon, light fixtures from Amazon. This ceiling fan may look small, but it'll cool this whole room, and they're really cheap on Amazon. So, you know, I got stuff that was cheap but looks nice. You know, that's basically it. If you have any feedback, please, I'm open to it. This is my first one, so you have any feedback, just let me know, and yeah, we can go from there. But other than that, listen, if you want to get started in real estate, I own this. If you want to start owning property, but you're broke, you have no money, you want to build up your cash, look, I'm giving out my first ebook, freenasbook.com. freenasbook.com. You can get my first ebook for free. That's totally yours. Just put your email in there. As usual, I wish you much success in your life and your business. I'll see you in the next vid.